Hello everyone, I'm Razi. Today I'm just going to talk about success. Success means different thing to different people. But my dear friend, to attain success, I do have a principle. Once we start to follow those principles, definitely we succeed. See, I'm just going to share you four principles to attain success. If he can do it, definitely you can also do it, my dear friend. Let's see. Principle number one, look for the positive. I just want to ask you, when you are going to search for a gold, you have to take out tons and tons of dirt. For this much amount of gold, we need to remove tons and tons of dirt. What do you look for? Will you look for dirt or you look for gold? The choice is yours. We definitely look for gold, right? Okay, coming to the point. When we see the person as like gold, you have to look for the good in him, not the bad in him. Like a dirt, he might has tons and tons of bad attitude, whatever it may be, but don't look at that. Look only the good, that is gold in him, not the dirt that is bad in him. So look for the positive in every person, in every situation, in and everywhere. You have to look for the positive. That is principle number one. Principle number two, make a habit of doing it now. So you can understand what I say, doing it now. See, there is a beautiful phrase to success. It's called do it now. You have to ask a question. If not now, then when? When we are going to do? When we are going to learn? Because we don't know when we are going to die. So before that, we have to achieve all those things. In your day-to-day life, you have to ask yourself. So please remember, you have to remember this phrase, do it now. If not now, then when? See, my dear friend, our mind asks us to do procrastinate. What I say is, procrastinate the procrastination. Please procrastinate the procrastination. And procrastination, and it is the greatest threat to the human being, and the comfort zone too. Procrastination and then comfort zone. These two are the greatest threat to the human being. We need to keep these two things away from our life always. So point number one, principle number one is look for the positive. I told you. Principle number two is make a habit of doing it now. Two principles. And stay away, third one, stay away from the negative thinkers, negative peoples. Who are they? They will always complain. Whatever the thing may be, they used to complain. They will never satisfied. They are category. They are third category. That is negative people. They always used to complain about the thing, whatever the situation may be. They won't see good in everyone. They always see the bad things in everyone. They are fault finders. They are fault finders. They can't able to see good. So that is third one. So please stay away from those people. Please stay away from this. So I told you three beautiful principles to succeed. I repeat, what are they? Look for the positive. That is, you are just going to look gold in everyone, not dirt. Make a habit of doing it now. If not now, then when? Leave the procrastination and comfort zone. You have to ask yourself, what do you want to ask? If not now, then when? And third one, stay away from the negative people. Who are they? Who are the negative peoples? They are fault finders. They always find faults in everything, in every situation. They used to keep complaining. They can't see good. So I gave you some valuable points today. I want everyone to be successful in their life. So